Alright, so I'm making this video for our I Hate Mud forum member to show them how I zip tied on this front end. Not the front end, but the grill. As you can see, my tabs are broke. So all I did was drill a little hole, fit a zip tie, and just zip tied it in. Check that out. It's on there pretty good. The end isn't, because it's really hard, you know, to get a zip tie back in there. But for right now, she's on decently. And I also did it over here. You can see right there it's on. Not over there, but you know, I actually had the hardware to install a brand new one, but for the time being, these zip ties will do. As for the front, it just clipped in, top screw. It's on there pretty good. And this is the hardware that came with the Cruiser Corp's light bezels. So Toyota has these like yellow grommets, and the Cruiser Corp ships with one of these guys. So basically, instead of popping the grommet through the hole, you slide this over and you just screw right into that. And these you can probably find at any hardware store or auto parts store. So check it out. There it is. And you can use these to install them also instead of the Toyota ones. And they're probably easier to find. But I did buy the Toyota ones, so I'm not going to use these guys.